Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, March 31st. We all have those days where nothing seems to be going our way. You may be feeling under the weather, emotionally exhausted, or overwhelmed with responsibilities. Labeling the day as a quote unquote bad day may feel right, but it is often completely inaccurate because no day is 100% bad. There is almost always something good, however small. You can train the mind to recognize both the good and the bad, helping you see clearly that there are likely also pleasant and enjoyable moments during the day, and that none of these moments is permanent. When you do have painful moments, you can respond with compassion and rewrite the story of the whole day. Of course, this practice works well when you are in the midst of a difficult day, and hopefully today is not it. But I'm sure that all of us can at least remember one of those. So let's try this now so that we are better prepared for when a bad day comes. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Let your breath be soft and comfortable and completely natural. Just notice how this natural breath flows through your body and how your body responds to it. Now bring to mind something difficult you have experienced today. And again, if nothing challenging has happened today, just remember one of those days when it did. Use a specific event or a general feeling or whatever arises naturally in the mind. Don't strain to find the perfect quote unquote bad moment. As the feeling of your bad day arises, pay attention to what that experience is like. Notice if there is a feeling in the body or any thought process in the mind. Try to steer clear of picking it apart too much, but instead tune into the overall experience and emotion. Ask yourself how it feels to be having a tough time. With awareness of how this feels, begin offering yourself some compassion. Keep some awareness on the experience in the mind and the body, and silently or out loud offer these phrases or something similar that resonates best with you. This is a moment of suffering. Suffering is a part of life. May I tend to the suffering with caring awareness. This is a moment of suffering. Suffering is a part of life. May I tend to the suffering with caring awareness. I'll be silent for a while to let you connect with your own experience. Now let go of the phrases and bring something to mind that has brought you joy or contentment in the same day. See if you can find a moment in which you were not enveloped by discomfort or pain. It may be when you first woke up, or a nice conversation with a friend or coworker, or the time you were eating and just not focused on the difficulties. Again, I'll be silent. As something comes to mind, connect with how the experience felt in your body, in your heart, in your mind. Recognize that although you may be having a hard day, this is a moment of freedom from pain and suffering. And maybe offer yourself the simple phrase, may I appreciate this moment. Continue bringing to mind other times in which you experience some contentment during your day. As each new one comes up, sit with it for a few breaths and repeat the phrase, may I appreciate this moment. As you run low on pleasant or enjoyable experiences, look for the neutral moments in your day. Maybe they're not as joyful or pleasant, but neutral moments are also free from pain and suffering. May I appreciate this moment. And finally, reflect on the totality of your day. Without denying your own experience of having a bad day, also recognize that the entire day was not completely unpleasant. Tune into the fact that many moments were actually nice or neutral. Now bring your hands to your heart and, as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. With gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As always, as you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today or any other day, I invite you to try this practice on and see how it works for you. Just reflecting on the totality of your day and noticing that yes, there were some quote unquote bad experiences or maybe super challenging experiences, but at the same time, there were pleasant or neutral moments. And remember, we all are capable of, we're all spacious enough to have it all, to embrace it all, to be okay with all of it. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.